Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic. How to deposit money from your Chime account to your Chase account in 2025. With banking apps evolving quickly, this process has become even smoother, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. Whether you're switching banks, paying bills, or just managing your finances, this guide will save you time and hassle. First things first, make sure you have both the Chime and Chase apps installed on your phone and that you're logged into both accounts. This is crucial for seamless transfers. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Chime app and head to the main dashboard. Look for the Move Money or Transfer option. It's usually right at the top. If you don't see it, tap on your profile icon and check the Settings menu. Step 2. Once you're in the Transfer section, you'll need to add your Chase account as a linked external account. Chime makes this easy. Just select Add Account and choose External Bank. You'll be prompted to enter your Chase account details, like the routing number and account number. Pro tip: double-check these to avoid any delays. Step 3. After linking, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any daily limits. Chime typically allows up to $10,000 per day in 2025, but this can vary. Then, review the transfer details, including the estimated arrival time. Most transfers via ACH take 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer. You might need to verify it with a code sent to your phone or email for security reasons. Once done, you'll get a confirmation message in the app. Now, switch over to your Chase app to monitor the incoming funds. It should show up in your transaction history once it processes. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, check for common problems such as mismatched account info or insufficient funds in Chime. A quick heads up: in 2025, some banks might charge small fees for external transfers, so keep an eye on that. Always transfer during business hours to speed things up. And there you have it. That's how you deposit money from Chime to Chase. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.